We're making a video.
Oh no.
Because I have hiccups.
Like Snooki.
Just like Snooki does. But I promise I'm not going to
Cheat on her boyfriend.
cheat on my boyfriend.
She doesn't have a boyfriend.
Because with Vinny. Vinny is gross. On Jersey Shore. We watched that show today
For the first time.
for the first time, and it was pretty funny. Right?
Right. Right.
We're caught up to each other.
I beat you.
We got these big drinks. Like I'm scanning our big drinks.
They cost
And-
$27.
$27. Who pays $27 for a drink? Obviously we do.
We thought it was 27 for both.
We thought it was for both, but
Because-
apparently it wasn't.
Because we ordered together.
The guy got mad because I was grabbing the drinks and he thought I wasn't gonna leave a tip, but I did, and he got angry. Hi. We're having such a good time, right? Cheers! Cheers! I still have hiccups. I'm gonna see Gaga. The Golden Gaga. We saw these like at New York. Oh my God, what's going on? I don't know, but it's really loud. It's really loud. And I still have hiccups. I still have hiccups.
I don't even know where we are anymore.
I don't know where we are either. There's Toby Keith.
I think that's Garth Brooks.
It's Garth Brooks again.
Oh man.
And I still have hiccups.
It's so quiet.
It's so quiet.
So